What are we doing today, Michael?
Well, I masturbated 3 times.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are installing some Audi style VLAN headlights in the Evo. Me and Mike are on our way to go get some bulbs, and then we'll hook everything up and hopefully they'll look really cool. I'm also replacing the fog lights. I'm changing them from red to purple. So I got a whole idea, a new layout. It'll be cool.
Oh, hey!
Holy shit.
I mean, it's not like ridiculously powerful.
Well, it's not break your neck speed, but it's fucking quick.
No, but it's good enough for a fucking 2-liter 4-banger for fucking daily driving. More than enough.
I mean, you could probably stomp some stock V8s.
Oh, all day.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I make Mustangs look embarrassed, but
I had this dude. Holy shit.
yeah, we're getting dangerous. There we go.
What are we doing today, Michael?
Well, I masturbated 3 times. I'm not gonna lie, you probably would.
What up, homie?
What's going on?
We're in here.
Damn, son, no way.
Oh no, they're already off. You didn't put them back in, Jake.
Ooh, shit. Oh!
Yeah, there's a lot I didn't put back in because fuck it.
Just fuck it.
So, didn't that one you showed Vince have the exact same
Oh wait, what's this?
headlights?
Probably.
What's in here? What's this? What's this?
That's the new fog lights.
Oh, bulbs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey there, guy. Man, what's going on, man?
Woo! We got LEDs. Oh, these are fucked too. All right. Oh, that's good. Good start. They're all fucked.
They're like one and done.
You can get certified while working, and that's the really cool part. So that's kind of where I'm at. Long story short.
Looks like it's still attached to something.
Probably
There's a wire.
Probably temp sensor. Yeah. There you go.
Okay. I gotta play the guy. He's already, he just graduated from UNO like last year.
Bueno.
You can think of, like, I'm talking, you walk the room to room, be like, yeah, that's fun, man.
Yank that bitch off.
Pay like $30, $40 an hour. I'm like, god damn.
Oh yeah, that's a bitch. You have to do that. No, you have to do that first.
This up.
Lift it up first.
Ah, hold on.
I need to find the screwdriver now. So, I wonder if that little harness they got will plug right into this, because this is your daytime running or high beam. I don't know. Let's find out.
One of those things, for example, they give us
Leave the plastic on.
they're like $300 something a piece, and we have to install it.
Okay. Instead of crops. What kind of option do we have in here? Okay.
I was looking into having a focus.
We gotta have it on your ignition, so when you turn the ignition off, it's off.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes? No! Unnecessary hole.
Let's just show everybody again real quick.
I've made this beautiful hole here.
Uh-huh.
It goes right here.
Yeah.
But on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
So I know where I'm going. Clean that up a little bit.
Testing the circuitry. Ready? Nothing. Fog lights are on.
The headlights have to be plugged in.
They probably do.
Right now.
Nothing. We got nothing.
Nope.
No
I
fucking.
know, there's like no fucking length to it. Can we make it any longer? No. That's part of the fucking vehicle harness. There we go. Okay. Yep. There it goes. Oh, oh, oh.
bright.
Yeah, it is. Wow.
Dude.
That's cool.
Sequential?
Huh?
Sequential? You can't even see it in the camera. It's too fucking bright. Dude, that's fucking dope.
Oh. Oh!
What?
Oh! Recent technology advancements have told me that we did have more room than we needed. Aw. I stepped on it.
Oh.
It's like,
These weren't cheap, man.
That's what's surprising. Like, no matter what type of aftermarket, like, headlamps you go with, they're all expensive.
I know. Alright, so we got all the bulbs in, we got the new headlights in, we got everything checked out, make sure it all worked before we bolted it, is that right? Bolted it back together. Got everything put back in place, it's all good, and once we get everything tidied up, we'll show you guys what it looks like.